Mari.
Kimmy.
We're on the home stretch to the new store.
Mm-hmm.
Are we feeling excited?
I'm stoked. We have so much space for all this new furniture coming in.
And we have so much to do, dude. We are going to be like on a 24/7 workload.
Oh, yeah.
But it's exciting though, right?
Oh, yeah.
So, thank you for helping me do this floor plan. You did amazing. I love how we're walking in through those front doors and we immediately walk into a whole collection.
I feel very zen there.
Very zen, very monochromatic. We're going to do a lot of whites and grays, antiques, and a little bit of black so that it coordinates with a lot of people's exterior brickwork.
Yeah.
And I absolutely love it. You know, what got me on this whole thing was as we were doing accessory program this year and last year, everybody had pavers sitting outside of their driveways, and I was like, wait a second, what's happening here? And even myself and my boyfriend, we both did our backyards this year, both of us. And both of us could not find furniture. And I'm in the furniture industry. I could find nothing that I liked.
Right.
And I was ready to buy anything at any cost, but everything was just so basic. We don't want to be basic. This furniture is going to last 20 years, so we want it to be absolutely beautiful. I think this concept came out of necessity, but now I really think we're going to be able to service our clients and finish their projects so that the inside kind of coordinates with the outside.
Oh, yeah, and a lot of our clients do have like patios
and
nice
pools.
backyards. Yes.
Yeah.
Like, we have so much opportunity.
We're going to stand behind all our product. We have great partnerships with vendors, so we're going to provide warranties for everything. And I'm really excited about what this new space is going to look like. You know, I can see it in my head and I can see it here, but when you see it in real, it's just...
Yeah, I seriously can't wait. May is not ready for us.
So Graham and Daniel and Wahid have already painted the store.
Yeah.
They fixed the baseboards, fixed the floor, fixed all the lighting. Everything is good to go.
Yeah.
We just now need to merchandise and set it up.
Okay.
We're getting product in weekly. So by the 1st of April, we will have a lot of vignettes ready to go, and we'll probably be getting more product until May 1st. And then we'll be fully stocked. And the beauty is the vendors that we're working with are fast turnaround times. So either going to stock it for us, or in the case of furniture that's upholstered in Canada, that those items there, you know, have like 6 to 8 week turnaround time. So they're like really, really quick, or they can join part of our rush program with our current factory. So that kind of